One Life Films. Every story deserves to be told in a way that captivates and inspires. Podcasts are more than conversations. They're windows into ideas and emotions. Real people, real stories, captured perfectly. Through drone cinematography, we bring the world to life from above. Elevate your perspective, because some stories are best told from the sky. Family videos are where memories meet emotion. These are the moments that matter, and we turn them into timeless treasures. Reels are your chance to shine in seconds. Short, sweet, impactful. When it comes to commercial project, let us tell your story with professional, engaging visuals. For music videos, every beat deserves a masterpiece. Dynamic visuals that amplify your sound. Whatever your vision, we transform it into art. Your ideas, your passion, captured forever. Let's create something extraordinary together. One Life Films.